tuongelea mambo yote.
Nimechoka kukola wewe.
Both know ODM has been struggling for the people of this country. From the day it was born to now. ODM has struggled for the people, always for the people. When the government is going the wrong way and is mistreating the people, ODM was always there to stand for the people. Wakati unga ilipanda, wakati vitu zilipanda, baba alichukua watu wake tukaenda kwa barabara na sufuria. For the what?
Akiwa na Winnie Odinga.
But in this ODM, this party, we know we have two parts. There are two people who are struggling for the idea, the ideology of ODM and what the ODM stands for. And there are parasites wenye tu are there to suck for the sake of wanakunywa damu kutokana na ODM just because of the ideology and the name of the ODM. Kuna watu wanakula tu hapo because of that name. So those we call them parasites. And Gladys Wanga is one of them. I can ask you to go everywhere in this internet, search, uulize tu anywhere, umeshaipata Gladys Wanga akifight for the people anywhere. In the streets umeshaimuona akiwa mstari wa kwanza.
Ngumu, hajaienda.
Muona.
Na sasa anajifanya yeye ndio ODM.
Wengine ni wenye wameko kwa serikali. Huyu mwenye ni PS wa finance. Umeshaimuona kwa barabara.
Noma.
These are the people that are parasites in ODM. And they know they used to be in power because of Baba. And since now he's gone, they are doing everything. Tunaita kwa kizungu ni mateke ya mwisho ya punda, the last kick. Wanajaribu kuchapana ya mwisho ndo wa survive. Umeona? But deep down they don't know the struggle of ODM. They don't stand for the ideology of ODM. And that's why they are fighting so hard to push people like Babu Owino, who was always struggling for the people, who was always on the street. Winnie Odinga was always there for the people. So ODM has always been there for the people. When the people are being mistreated, ODM used to stand and they used to riot and things will come down in this country. But Gladys Wanga and those parasites taja majina yao are the one who wants to destroy ODM because they know if ODM will stand, their name will disappear in political world forever. Let me tell you, if Gladys Wanga is not talking right now, if he's not talking the way he's talking, tutamsahau. So the noise that unasikia akipiga kelele ni to make himself relevant, tujue yako. But akifunga hiyo mdomo, tutamsahau na tutashindwa ni gavana wa wapi. So you have to understand those two people. And me, I stand for Winnie Odinga because I've always seen, nimeshamuona na babake in every
baka anazika babake mkono
struggle. Yeah. I have seen him. So he's the one who understands what ODM stands for. Na kama tunataka ODM stand, if we don't hold Winnie Odinga to be in that position that is the leader of ODM will disappear in this political world in Kenya.
Thank you.
Kidogo tu niongee kitu yenye si siasa.